All right, here we have our nice Enfield clock. As you can see, it is roughly 18 inches long. And as you may be able to hear, it is actually running. Now, it was running earlier, and it decided to stop and gave the pendulum a bit of a push, started up again, and seems to be quite happy now. So probably could use a good cleaning. As you can see, there is a bit of a crack or chip there in the glass, and it's not really all that obvious, but you can see for yourself. This scroll work here is really in very good condition, except for the fact that it seems to have a little bit of flaking. The finish seems to have flaked off. A little wood stain would probably take care of that very nicely. In general, the wood has a very nice gloss to it. As you can see, the wood is in very good shape. The case is really nice, actually. And it definitely does I will now demonstrate the fact that it definitely does chime very nicely. So, let's check out the back of the clock here. Back opens up, and you can see it's ticking away pretty happily. Doesn't seem to be stopping this time, and seems to be a pretty nice clock, if you ask me. I am definitely selling it with the key here. And that, I think, is about that. Not sure what else I can show you. So I hope you like it. You can see there's one other little thing here. You can see that the glass door doesn't quite want to close unless you pick it up a little bit. Then it closes. That's the only other defect I'm aware of in the clock, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much.